Today, with Fishing with Feller, we're going to catch some catfish.
I'm just playing with y'all. Hey, me and J-Dog, we're about to go out here to this pond. We're gonna go catfishing today, and we about to catch some fish, baby. Woo! And if y'all haven't already, subscribe, like, and comment to the video, and hit that ding bell to the right. Hey, J-Dog, you having some technical difficulties there?
Just a little bit, bro. I have no idea.
Hey, Donor.
Yeah.
Catch some feller bread. Toner's got a tip for you. What is it, Toner?
Don't buy cheap fishing.
And why is that?
Because of the heck in the handbasket. That's why.
What is it again?
Heck in the handbasket.
That's a feller term right there. Hey, yesterday I was telling them about skedaddling. I'm gonna show you how to do the feller knot. Feller knot, stick it in the hole, and if you're a feller, you should be good at that. Stick it right on in there, pull your line up, take that line, twist this hook 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a 7 she goes. Grab that line where you were, stick that piece of line right through that hole. And then once it goes through that hole, pick that line back out and bring it through the loop that you had. And then you wet it up, feller style, and grab it, and you pull it tight, just like that. And it'll cinch down. You go like this with your teeth, right here, a hee-hee. Hold on, a hee-hee. You click the line and you got a feller knot. Just like that, boy. Yes, sir. Well, today, y'all, we're gonna be using some bread balls. Well, we're gonna make some bread balls out of this great value 88 cents white bread. And we got some, what are those, buttermilk biscuits by Pillsbury Doughboy? Oh yeah. So y'all, you get your little bread, you turn it into a dough ball, just like this here, a hee-hee. You see that? And you get your catfish hook. Look at that, zoom in. Get your catfish hook. You just slide it into that dough ball, just like this, just like that. And you smush it, skedaddle it, you know, spit on it a little bit if you got to. Get it real tight on there. And then you're good to go. There's your catfish rig. Alright y'all, here we go. Our first cast. I'll take that. And now we just sit and wait, boys. Boys and girls, gentlemen and ladies, wives and husbands, grandparents, uncles. Oh, there she goes. Oh, I wonder if it took my bread. Probably took my bread. Connor, I'm about to catch catfish. I don't know about you, but I'm about to catch catfish. Yeah, you better try a little harder. First one to a fish gets $5. Yeah, try to take it this time. We'll see who wins this fight. Connor, I want 5 catfish out of you today, or else you ain't eating none of my catfish sandwiches again. Got one. Got one. Yeah, baby. That's a catfish. I know it is. That's a good one, too. That's what I'm talking about. Came here to catch fish today, baby. Woo! That's a catfish, y'all. It's a channel cat. Fishing with feller. Let's put him on a stringer. We got us some catfish dinner. All right, first catch, y'all. Got me a catfish. We're gonna string him up. J-Dog's gonna string him up. All right, let's put him on a stringer. And he's gonna put him in the water. All right, you got it in there? All right, here we go. Oh, can you get him again?
Yeah, get him again. Something's tangled up.
It's on his, there it is, hold on. Oh, he got in that hook. That's on his hook. Yeah, there you go. All right, let's go get us another one. Good job, Toner. Got my little bread set up here in the pouch. Just chilling right there in my little fanny pack. You know what I'm talking about? Hold up. Just gotta put that feller spit on it. So that attractive spray bait, you know? There we go. See, now it's nice and hard. The fish can't take it off the hook.
Have a catfish biscuit.
Right? That's all we got so far is enough for a catfish biscuit. And that's gonna be a small catfish biscuit. Nah, we gonna have more than that. I'm gonna catch more. I'm gonna get another one. Oh my gosh. I just wiped my mouth and I threw that chum out. Now I got chum lip. Good thing I ain't kissing no girls tonight. Cause they be tasting some chum lip. So, hey baby girl, you ever had some chum lip? That ain't stank breath. That ain't stank breath. That's just that chum lip. You know what I mean? I've been out fishing. You want some of that chum lip? It's that new spice fragrance. You know what I'm talking about? Hold up. All right, here we go, y'all. We're gonna catch catfish on this try. I'm done having chum lip. I wiped it off my mouth because I got chum on my hand and I had chum lip. So hopefully we can catch fish now. I'm tired of having chum lip. I want a catfish. There he is! There he is! Right after I was talking about it, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, he's a good one, Toner. Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo! Yeah, baby. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about right there. It's a big one. Yeah. I was over here talking about I just threw chum out and then wiped my mouth and then I had chum lip. I said I don't want chum lip anymore. I want a catfish. I said good thing I ain't kissing no girls tonight because they gonna think it's stank breath. But girl, it ain't no stank breath. That's just some chum lip. Say hello, big boy. Oh yeah. Now we just don't need we gotta watch out for the snakes because the snakes like to come up here and take our fish. Little rat snake rolls around here. We ain't getting our catfish today because we eating catfish sandwiches.
Derek, I think you took the last 2 catfish out of this pond, bro.
I probably did. That's what fellers do. Bread break.
So tell the viewers how you like to cast.
Then you do it a little like this here. You pull back and then you just launch it. Just like that.
Can't catch them all, right?
Yeah, at least we got 2. No skunk though, but we got a mariachi band shooting a music video over here to end our video here. So it's a good day because we get to hear some music. Hit that doggy friend. Hey.
Catfishing.